Narito ang official new look complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel para sa PBA 49 Commissioners Cup Finals. Point guards: John Nards Pinto, 5'11", 170 pounds, 34 years old, 3 points, 2.5 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. LA Tenorio, team captain, 5'9", 152 pounds, 40 years old, 2.8 points, 2 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Scottie Thompson, star player, 6'1", 180 pounds, 31 years old, 13.7 points, 6.3 rebounds, 5.7 assists, 1.2 steals, 30% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Shooting guards: Jeremiah Gray, comeback player, 6'5", 205 pounds, 28 years old, 14.6 points, 8.3 rebounds, 4.8 assists, 21% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his last 2023 PBA on Tour averages. RJ Abarientos, star rookie, 5'10", 187 pounds, 25 years old, 14.6 points, 2.8 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.3 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Maverick Ahanmisi, star player, 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 11.2 points, 5.5 rebounds, 3.2 assists, 35% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Stephen Holt, star player, 6'4", 195 pounds, 33 years old, 17 points, 6.2 rebounds, 4.2 assists, 1.4 steals, 42% 3-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Small forwards: Ralph Koo, 6'4", 210 pounds, 28 years old, 6.2 points, 2.8 rebounds, 2 assists, 38% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Von Pesumal, 6'2", 185 pounds, 32 years old, 1.5 points, 1 rebound, 0.5 assist, 30% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Aljon Mariano, 6'3", 175 pounds, 32 years old, 1 point, 1 rebound, 0.5 assist, 40 field goal percentage, 4.5 minutes per game in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Justin Brownlee, original import, injured player, 6'5", 220 pounds, 37 years old, 28.3 points, 9.2 rebounds, 5.8 assists, 1.6 steals, 1.5 blocks, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Power forwards: Jamie Malonzo, comeback player, 6'6", 210 pounds, 28 years old, 14.1 points, 7.1 rebounds, 3.2 assists, 26% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Troy Rosario, star player, 6'7", 218 pounds, 33 years old, 13.5 points, 6 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 0.8 blocks, 35% 3-point shooter, 77% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Raymond Aguilar, 6'4", 200 pounds, 39 years old, 2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 60 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shoot in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Ralir Hollis Jefferson. Ayon mismo kay Coach Tim, ay isa si Ralil sa mga gusto niyang gawing backup import ni Justin Brownlee. 6'6", 215 pounds, 33 years old, 8.7 points, 5.2 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 1.7 steals, 0.8 blocks, 21% 3-point shooter, 72% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Hungary A-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ng kapatid ni RHJ na si Ralil kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Centers: Ben Adamos, 6'7", 200 pounds, 29 years old, 2 points, 0.6 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 13% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Japet Aguilar, 6'9", 235 pounds, 38 years old, 18 points, 6.1 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1.2 blocks, 52 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49th Governors Cup averages. Isaac Go, injured list, 6'7", 230 pounds, 28 years old, 5.5 points, 3.7 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.5 blocks, 25% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governors Cup averages. Angelo Kwame. Siya ang number 1 option ni Coach Tim na gusto niyang ipalit kay Justin Noype at nag-practice na din daw siya sa Ginebra bago ang Game 4 ayon mismo kay Coach Tim Cone. 6'11", 220 pounds, 27 years old, 6 points, 5.3 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 1 block, 45 field goal percentage, 70% free throw shooter in his 34th Dubai Championship Tournament averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel ngayong PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup Finals. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, sino kay Ange Kwame at Ralil Hollis Jefferson ang mas gusto niyong gawing replacement player para kay Kabayan Brownlee kung hindi na niya kaya ang sakit ng injury niya? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.